Hello Europe Indian Diaspora, this is Ranjiraj and thank you very much for conducting this survey for all the Indian YouTubers who are there in Europe. So there are few questions that you would like to hear from me. So first question is about my background. I come from India and in India I am from Mumbai. But ഞാനൊരു കേരളീയനാണ്, മലയാളിയാണ്. പക്ഷേ പഠിപ്പിക്കുന്നത് മലയാളത്തിലല്ല, ആ ഒരു വ്യത്യാസം മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ. So I did all my schoolings and colleges from Mumbai itself. So that's why थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी भी पता है आणि बऱ्यापैकी मराठी पण येते. And where in Europe exactly? So I'm currently living in Germany, Magdeburg, and I'm doing my master's program in computer science, data and knowledge engineering. So the second question that you have for me is like, what motivated me to become a YouTuber? So I actually don't agree with the term YouTuber, but it's called as content creator. We create contents and that when it is reached to people, they appreciate for our work. So I would rather like to call it as content creator, not being YouTuber. So basically I started this about 4 years ago approximately. So it was after my engineering, that is a bachelor's, that I started about this YouTubing. So these stuffs were not intentional about gaining subscribers or having popularity or so, but just to help out students who are not able to afford some coaching classes or who are facing some difficulties in learning complex topics, or even the simplest of the topics which are not taught by professors in a not proper way. So then I thought like I can put in a better way all these things. So that's why YouTube is just a platform, so where I can showcase my skills about teaching. So the third question is about what topics do I cover in my channel. So initially when I started this, I used to put videos regarding all the subjects which are taught in my bachelor's or which I learned from that time. So it was about wireless systems, cloud computing technologies, artificial intelligence, then big data systems and all. But currently, since I'm into data science, so now I'm more putting effort or making videos regarding machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing and stuffs like that. So since this topic is a very booming, or it's a very hot trend in today's era, so that's why I learned these topics and I just put these videos of mine to showcase my skills in this areas of expertise. So the fourth question is about reading about best comments and bad comments or mean comments from my channel. So it's not asking about how severe the comment is, because I usually filter out just to keep my dashboard healthy of my channel, so that whenever new visitors comes, they should not feel very bad about my channel. So that's why. So I'll read about 2 bad comments and 2 good comments which are there or which I got recently. So first I'll read bad comments first. So one is not getting this topic, please improve your methods of teaching. You can see that screenshot somewhere here, up, down, somewhere. And next one is dumbest. Okay, 2 good comments. So there are no best comments as in, so everything I see like whichever are good, so that I keep in a best. So that is my list of best, that's it. You people are like God for us, where college professor don't teach anything. You people save us really. Hats off and thanks a lot. This is what I pay my internet bill for. Thanks a lot. So a message for Europe Indian Diaspora. So I very much encourage you that you take this kind of survey to find people in each of the cities or which are there in Europe across, not only Indians but other people from other countries as well. So just help them collaborate their content, get to know each other, and conduct some meetings. So since public meetings are not allowed this times because of this pandemic, so I suggest like some online meetings or something like that would be great help to people who can collaborate within themselves from different parts of the world